Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I am featuring RPG Show. Big thank you to RPG Show for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. So I'm showing you the luxury box that your wig is going to come in and all the free gifts provided inside. So the star of the show is this wig, Dominic. It's 20 inches. She is 10 by 6 Swiss lace. This is a glueless Swiss lace wig. As you can see, the knots are pre-bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked. If you know a little bit about RPG Show, they specialize in luxury, custom, ready-to-wear wigs. So this is the inside construction of the wig. You do have combs inside. You have a comb in the nape. You have 2 combs on the side. You do have a drawstring in the back of this one with an elastic band, and that is all going to help you wear this glueless if that's what you want to do. So right after I put this wig on, the first thing that I'm going to do is secure and cinch that drawstring, and that is going to help me with securing my wig and making sure that it is in place. I could have left it at this step alone. I did not have to use any spray. So here I'm cutting the lace off, but as you can see, the lace is basically non-existent. Swiss lace is definitely a top quality lace, and it works well with many different complexions. I'm using the hot comb just to press out the top of the hair. I don't want it too flat because I did want a little bit of volume with this look, but I'm just using the hot comb just to lay that down and help define that deep parting. The hair has a lot of body, a lot of natural luster. I love the ends of the hair. Everything is natural and in place. And this is a finished look for the middle part. And as I stated, you can never go wrong with this. Very nice, natural, classic look.